Mark. My name's Darryl Tombleson, part of South Pacific Global Productions. We have the pleasure of presenting the FMF Uprising Music Festival this year in co-production with our friends, DJ Skitz and I Do Events, and our legendary entertainers, Laisa and Tom. So we got a great night planned November 1st. Lots of local talent, national and a surprise artist coming in from Australia. Great food stalls here and your chance to do something a little bit different with our text and win to win that truck as well on the night, so be a part of that. I want to pass you on to Prashant for a while to introduce himself. He's presenting part of our major production on November the 1st. Don't forget, tickets available from Ticketmax and Uprising Reception. Here's Prashant.
Hola, Darryl. Thanks for coming here, all of you. My name is Prashant, also known as DJ Skitz, proudly co-producing with Darryl Tombleson for the FMF Uprising Music Festival. This year we're coming up with a theme, Legends Festival. The reason Legends Festival, we're giving opportunity because the legends already living in Fiji, all the local talent gonna be showcasing up on Uprising Music Festival. All these legends are having vast experience all over the world, with performing, having tours all around the globe. And just Tom Mawi returning back from Vancouver, and our friend here, Laisa Vulakoro, the Queen of Bundae. She's been really famous, and it's been a really honor to work with them and given opportunity to produce. Tom was one of the first artists at the Uprising Music Festival performing for the first time almost 15 years back, and ever since, every time he's been given an opportunity, he's here back to support and make the history by bringing everybody together. Our team, the lineup list is the Black Rose, Bits and Pieces from Pack Harbor, Coconut Group from Pack Harbor again, Sojourners, Sero Serevi, the music we grew up listening to him, Georgina Lentua, Tom Mawi and the family, Laisa Vulakoro and the team, the Russell Joe, been performing here as an old team for 128, but now coming down as Diva. Diva was a live band performing at Homecoming, and the sister band Devalesu is also coming down. All these legends been performing all around Australia, New Zealand, Canada, America and UK. And this year we're gonna create a history by putting all the legends together, and every band not only gonna perform with this mix of genre music, but they're also gonna tribute to our late brother, God peace by God soul. And we have a big round of applause to the two legends here.